L3Harris Technologies is a company that offers end-to-end technology solutions for defense and security purposes across various domains like space, air, land, sea, and cyber. They cater to government customers in over 100 countries, mainly serving the U.S. government, their contractors, and international allies. The company organizes its operations into 4 operating segments based on products, systems, and services sold, as well as the markets they serve. They occasionally acquire or divest businesses and realign them within and across these segments to optimize capabilities and improve efficiency. L3Harris's 4 business segments are Space and Airborne Systems, SAS, Integrated Mission Systems, IMS, Defense Electronics, and Commercial Aviation Solutions. SAS focuses on providing full mission solutions for space, airborne, and cyber domains. IMS offers differentiated mission capabilities and prime systems integration for intelligence, reconnaissance, surveillance, electronic attack, autonomy, power, and communications. Defense Electronics provides space communications, avionics, fusing, navigation, range testing solutions, and precision electronic components. Lastly, Commercial Aviation Solutions offers integrated aircraft avionics, pilot training, and data analytics services. The Communication Systems, CS business segment of L3Harris Technologies provides critical communication solutions to customers in various domains, such as defense, international, federal, and state agency sectors. They offer tactical communications, broadband communications, integrated vision solutions, and public safety and professional communication services. Their products include secure communication equipment, software, waveforms, satellite terminals, ISR and tactical data links, integrated broadband networks, helmet-mounted night vision goggles, weapon-mounted sights, aiming lasers, rangefinders, and more. Aerojet Rocketdyne, AR, provides propulsion, power, and armament products and systems to the U.S. government, including the DoD and NASA, as well as major aerospace and defense prime contractors. Business sectors include missile solutions for strategic defense, missile defense, hypersonic, and tactical systems, as well as space propulsion and power systems for national security, space exploration missions, and international business. Although the industry is competitive, the company frequently partners or teams up with competitors for projects. They compete against large defense companies such as BAE Systems, Boeing, General Dynamics, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, RTX, Thales, and other non-traditional contractors, both domestically and internationally. Cost and fixed price contracts are held with the U.S. government, which entail reimbursement of allowable costs, plus payment of a fee or a fixed price. Since L3Harris relies on revenue from U.S. government customers, particularly defense-related programs with the Department of Defense and other agencies, the market is highly competitive and the government may choose other contractors through competitive bidding processes. Various types of contracts like IDIQ and GSA schedules lead to increased competition and pricing pressure. The company's operations and cash flows are significantly influenced by the mix of fixed price, cost type, and time and material contracts they have. Fixed price contracts, especially for development programs, can result in losses from cost overruns or inflation. U.S. government fixed price contracts can result in large losses if the government holds them responsible for completing a project or paying the entire cost of its replacement. Development programs with complex design and technical requirements are generally cost reimbursable, but may have fixed price options. The risk is higher if contracts shift toward more fixed price arrangements. To mitigate these risks, the company adjusts prices for inflation and includes adjustment clauses in fixed price contracts when feasible. However, this may not be effective against significant cost overruns or sustained inflation. For more on L3Harris and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.